on some tile in my bathroom, as you can see. And sometimes when we are doing some of this DIY stuff, some mistakes have been made. So if you look at our tile, I'm about to grout, and I'm just looking at some of the, you know, how some of this mosaic, it looks like it moved. So there's it's kind of a tight gap there. Let's see, I got one here. I'm gonna be cleaning out some of these grout lines too. And there's one there. You can't get your fingernail in there. The thing about putting down this 1-inch mosaic is it's really tough to keep all the spaces exactly apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Dremel tool with a diamond blade or tip on here, and I'm going to grind out some of these. I'll show you how I do that so I get a better grout line. So if you're doing this kind of tile and you mess up, there is a way to kind of fix these, and the goal is to make them only take off a little bit, so that when I do grout, it's hard to tell that I did anything to it. So I've got a shop vac, so I'm going to be running that at the same time. So what I'll do is get set up and show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's see. I think I did that one. That one, I need to fix the ear of that one up a little bit right there. It's a little bit just sticking out. You can't see too much right now, but you will see it grout. Let's see what else. I did like 3 or 4 of them. Oh, this one right here. So you kind of see, but the grout down below you won't be able to. I mean the thin set, you won't be able to see that because that's about 1/8 of an inch or so down. So it's good to go. But this is a quick, easy way. Just use a Dremel. Now I set mine on. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see. There we go. Almost 1,000 RPMs, between maybe 1,200. You can get away with 15 to 10 on here, but it's mainly you want to use a diamond tip bit, and just kind of use a vacuum to kind of pull away some of the dust as you're cutting. But that's just a quick, simple way to fix where some of these tiles may have gotten too close. There's one right there I gotta fix. You can see how tight that is. All right. This is what the shower floor looks like after I've grouted. So let's take a look at ones that I had to fix. So right off the bat, there's that one. You can tell because the gap is a lot larger than the rest. I had to fix this one. Yeah, for the most part, it came out pretty good. One lesson I learned here was I need to use more spacers. And when I laid the floor for the rest of the bathroom, I used a ton more spacers just to make sure that the tiles did not move and the spacing was corrected. So using that little trick with a Dremel and a diamond bit, the floor came out all right. Not perfect, but good enough for me. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you later.